Let's jump right in, because in today's topic I'm going to show you how to create stunning masterpiece or lifelike portrait of people and animation characters for free. Unlike MidJourney, which costs $10 each month, get ready to delve into the world of Tensor Art for creating MidJourney images for free. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your browser and go to Tensor Art. Now select the first link in your search result. Alright, you can now see this dashboard. Now click on sign in and a pop-up will appear. I'll select continue with Google and then fill in your Google account details. Alright, after signing in, you will need to enter your nickname. Let's type in a default nickname. And also you can also choose to upload an avatar, but for the sake of this tutorial I'll leave it this way and select save. Okay, you'll be then logged in and you also receive 100 credits each day for image generation. So I'll show you a way to get more credits for free, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Now in the models tab, scroll down and all the images that you see were created by other users. Some models are better at generating specific types of images such as landscape or portraits. Once you are ready to create your own images, click on workspace. Now choose a model you want. Make sure you choose a model that matches what you are trying to create. So let's go with this one. Once you have chosen your model, now let's type in the prompt which we are going to tell the AI to create a video on. So let's look at a sketch of two robots talking to each other with a surreal look and a narrow aspect ratio. You can also add a negative prompt. You also have these settings where you can choose the aspect ratio of your image, whether it's portrait or landscape, or even choose a custom aspect ratio. So I will go with landscape here. Now it generates. Alright, as you can see, we now have our AI image of two robots talking to each other with a narrow aspect ratio. You can see, based on the prompt we gave it, it gave us these unique images. Also, if you notice that your image has a low resolution, you can easily upscale your image by selecting the upscaler and choosing different upscaling method to enhance your image either to 4x or 2x depending on your image requirement. All the images you get on Tensor Art, using the free version, you have license to use it anywhere else. Alright, I told you that I'm going to share a way for you to use unlimited credits for free. So let me show you how to do that. All you need to do is to invite your friend to join Tensor Art, and you will get 100 credits on every new user that uses your link to join Tensor Art. That is a full way for you to get unlimited credit per day, which is going to help you creating unlimited, endless images for your creativity. Thank you for staying on to the end of this video. If you found this video informative, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button and also share this video with your friends and maybe even subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.